Your body feels sluggish in the morning, like it never fully rested. Watch this, you'll handle this better. Skipping one simple overnight pattern keeps your cells from their natural cleanup cycle. This 12-hour window may gently support cellular repair while you sleep. Almost no one over 60 knows this Nobel-backed rhythm. Let me show you how this works. This is about understanding a gentle rhythm your body already knows. It's about a simple overnight pattern that helps your body support its natural repair cycle. So you can wake feeling rested and move through your day with steady energy on your own terms. Here's what's happening while you sleep. Your body has two modes, digesting food or repairing itself. It can't do both at once. Think of it like a restaurant kitchen. During dinner service, the cooks are busy making meals. Pots everywhere, stove going. No time to scrub the floors or wipe down the counters. The real cleaning happens after closing time, when the kitchen is quiet and empty. Your body works the same way. All day, you're eating and digesting. Your body is busy breaking down food, managing energy. But the deep repair work, the kind that makes you feel rested and strong, that only happens when digestion stops, when the kitchen closes for the night. Now, let's try this together. Tonight, you'll finish your last meal a bit earlier than usual. Then you'll let your body rest until morning. I'll walk you through it step by step. Here's what most people miss: a gentle 12-hour overnight window. Say, finishing dinner by 7 p.m. and eating breakfast around 7 a.m. gives your body the quiet hours it needs to clean house while you sleep. It's normal if this feels new. Your body's been working overtime. You're simply giving it permission to rest deeply. You're not skipping meals. You're not going hungry. You're just shifting when you eat. So your body has time to do its repair work overnight. Imagine going to bed knowing your body can finally focus on fixing what's worn out, clearing out what's damaged, and waking you up feeling actually rested. One woman told me she'd felt tired every morning for years. Heavy legs, foggy mind. She started this simple 12-hour pattern. Finished dinner by 7, breakfast by 7. Within a week, she woke up feeling lighter. Within 2 weeks, her morning stiffness was half what it used to be. She said it felt like her body finally had permission to rest. Comment repair if you want to try it today. But the timing is just the start. There are 3 small evening habits that make this window work even better. And the first one happens right after your last bite. This helps you stay steady on your own terms. Notice when you feel heavy or bloated after dinner. That full, tight feeling in your stomach. Here's what's happening. Your body is working hard to digest that meal. And if you eat late or eat too much, your body is still digesting when you lie down to sleep. That means no repair work gets done. Your body is stuck in the kitchen, still cooking, when it should be cleaning. Finish your last meal around 3 hours before bed. Eat slowly, chew well, take about a slow count to 10 between bites. Notice how your stomach feels lighter afterward, less tight. That lightness means digestion is wrapping up. Tonight you may sleep more soundly, toss and turn less. You're teaching your body when to work and when to rest. Stay with me. The next habit is even simpler. Notice when you reach for a snack at night out of habit, not real hunger. You're watching television. Your hand moves toward the kitchen, but your stomach isn't actually asking for food. Here's the truth. Every time you eat something, even just a few crackers, your body stops repairing and starts digesting again. The clock resets. The cleaning crew has to stop and wait. Keep a glass of water on your nightstand. When you feel the urge to snack, take around 5 slow sips and wait. Watch how your hand reaches for water instead of the pantry. Often, what feels like hunger is just thirst or habit. You'll wake with clearer eyes, less puffiness in your face. That's your body finishing its overnight work without interruption. You're building a new pattern. This isn't about restriction, it's about rhythm. You're not depriving your body, you're giving it the time it needs to take care of itself. Right after this, I'll show you what to do in the morning. Notice when your stomach growls in the first hour after waking. That sound might worry you, but here's the truth. That's not emergency hunger, it's your body finishing its cleanup work. Your repair cycle is wrapping up. The growl is just your digestive system waking up, stretching, getting ready for the day. Wait a short while after waking before you eat. Sip warm water or herbal tea. Listen to your body's rhythm. Hear the quiet rumble settle as your body completes its work. This short wait lets your body finish its final repairs before you ask it to switch back to digestion. Your first meal will taste better and sit easier in your stomach. You're honoring your body's natural timing. If this helps, subscribe. We post one new tip every week. Don't miss this. The final piece ties it all together. Notice when you feel more energized in the morning without needing coffee right away. Maybe you stand up from your chair and your legs feel steady. Maybe you walk to the kitchen and realize you're not shuffling. Here's what's changed. When your body gets a full night to repair itself, it creates natural energy. Your cells work better, your muscles feel stronger, your mind feels clearer. Track how you feel for around 5 mornings. Keep a simple note, just a word or two, steady, clear, rested. Feel the steadiness in your legs. See the brightness when you look in the mirror. You'll move through your morning routine with less effort. Putting on your shoes feels easier. Walking to get the mail doesn't tire you out. You're supporting your body's built-in ability to renew itself. A 12-hour window isn't a diet. It's a gentle pattern that helps you feel rested and steady naturally. Small, steady steps help you stay confident at home. Today you learned how a simple 12-hour overnight window supports your body's natural repair cycle. You're not forcing anything. You're not restricting yourself. You're simply working with your body's rhythm instead of against it. That repair means waking with more energy and moving through your day with steadiness. When your body has time to clean house overnight, everything works better. Your energy is more stable. Your mind feels clearer. Your body moves with less stiffness. You're not relying on pills or complicated routines. You're using the wisdom your body already has. Here's what to do tonight. Finish dinner early, sip water, not snacks. Wait before morning meal. Track 5 mornings. Notice steady energy. Start with just one night. See how you feel in the morning. If it feels good, try it again. Let your body show you what it can do when you give it this gentle gift of time. Continue with the Healthy Aging Mastery playlist, your complete guide to staying strong, sharp, and independent. Educational content only. Please consult your doctor. Keep moving at your pace. You stay strong on your own terms.